Hello, this is Mindy from The Weekend Gardener, and today I'd like to showcase a new product on the market. Now this is made by Stanley and it's called Accuscape. Now there are times that I don't want to have to dig out a big saw. I don't want to have to get pruners. I might be on a zero turn or a riding lawnmower and I'm in a situation that I need to cut a branch. And I really don't want to have to go trying to track those supplies down. This saw is perfect for that. Now what I really like is the ease of opening this. And it's pretty substantial. It's heat treated so it stays sharper longer. It's not going to take those humongous branches down, but it will take these smaller branches down that you need to remove so you can continue on with your garden task. It also has a hole here. Now I did find a small flaw in this product though. I'm not probably going to carry this product in my pocket. And this loop is wonderful. I can put a lanyard in there, I can put a rope through there, I can hook it to my belt loop, I can put it in a garden bucket. But if I put any type of rope or anything that I would like to hang, this curve of this blade goes right into that hole, so you're running a chance of cutting that. But beyond that, this is a very useful tool, small tool to carry, very inexpensive, and worth the price just to save you time and energy stopping what you're doing, trying to find that tool to cut this branch. It's a great tool to have just with you while you're taking care of your garden chores. So until we meet in the garden again, this has been Mindy from The Weekend Gardener.